Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. Green means go, green means go, red means stop. Yellow means speed up, slow down. Red, red, red. When they see that red light blinking, that means don't go. There's what we cut off, these horizontals, just to show you. That's how much longer it was, so we just cut this off. You can see it's fully reinforced all the way down. And like I said, those vertical tracks were so nasty, I just said, you know, we were here so much, we just threw on some verticals for them. Okay. With the end bearing plates attached to the wall, this was really easy, so we just took out these three, and it's hard to focus in, but there is a lag bolt like right up there, right there. So there's that. Got an APT opener on here, and we did this side as well. We changed out the vertical. New horizontal. And then obviously we got center hangs on here, which is good. You need those. 9/16 in the back. This door is a 6.3. You could see it. We oil the crap out of this thing for them because this thing is used so much. They have us out here all the time. I think out of all the underground parking garages, it's a tie between this one and this other one we have closer to the shop. They constantly pound on these doors. Like, they hit them a lot. The other place actually has cameras, so they know who does it. This place does not. So we've already recommended to them multiple times that they get video cameras out here. But single push button, kind of nice coil cord, safety eyes, edge, the works. Goes up nice. Goes up real nice. These big long springs. This 6.3, these should last a long time, longer than the other ones. But there's an on-off switch here. We can turn this thing off. Nope. Oh yeah, there is. Turn that off so I don't have to close it. The APT's got the nice trolley, nylon trolley. We got an arm on order here for an APT arm. That thing got smashed. So there's multiple, like I said, we've been here multiple times. Put these in the rig. Our badge. So those horizontals we put in there are nice for these people. They are, I think they're from a 10-foot door. 10 or a 12-foot door, I don't know. They're betterer than what was up there, let's put it to you that way. Yeah, they could use weather stripping and everything else. I'll probably do that for the winter time for them and get rid of this hole down there. I think this one here needs seals too, pretty bad. Up here it's all coming off the wall. It's just, they need new stuff here. One thing at a time though, it's summertime, so we're gonna hold off on that. And I get this, yesterday I should have took a video. What happened at the same, there's a bunch of buildings in here. What happened yesterday is someone hit one of these openers so bad, this whole head unit here got tilted like that. This bracket up here and on the other one were totally bent. The cover was destroyed. We had to fender ding it back into submission and just put two, we had to put two like this. We had to put sheet metal screws in it. This one's loose here, gotta redo this one. This one's loose, gotta redo that. I ain't doing nothing, we'll redo that. But yeah, that one yesterday was real bad. But that's it. 12-inch fully reinforced horizontals on an underground parking garage door for all your door needs. Innovative 630-271-9343. Sorry, not the most interesting video, but it does need to get done, and this is actually something we do quite a lot on residential service, is change these out, because this part right in here, you should watch. It will actually flatten out, and then the rollers will pop out of the track, and then you're in for a big mess. So if you have a residential home, I would check this area from here all the way back to about here. This is a famous area for just flattening down, because the metal just fatigues, or the rollers are sliding in the track from a lot of grease and not oiling them, and so the roller just slides in the track, it doesn't roll, and then the roller will actually do that. It flattens that spot. So that's a spot you definitely want to look at on your residential home. So thank you for subscribing, liking, dropping comments, dropping concerns. We'll help you out any way you can. We can. Thank you for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way too, this one here, the reason why it happened, something happened where it collapsed, and ooh, new sprinkler head. The old one came down because I think it got hit or something. I don't even remember, but that's it. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Later.